Homeowners, when your AC dies in the middle of the summer or your fridge goes out fully stocked, did you make the right call? This is what a home without a warranty looks like. And this is one with a plan through HomeSafe. Do nothing right now and get slammed with expensive repairs like this house. Call HomeSafe before a disaster happens and avoid the financial gut punch. Because a home warranty from HomeSafe can save homeowners thousands on expensive repairs or replacements on over 20 home systems and appliances. That includes your home's AC, electrical, plumbing, washer and dryer, refrigerator, and more. All covered in one locked-in, month-to-month plan.
There's a lot more electronics, a lot more sensors, a lot more instead of just a basic air conditioner turns on, turns off. To repair those costs quite a bit more.
Everything is fine until it's not. If something breaks, that becomes a disaster.
Instead of getting hit with home appliance or system repair bills, call HomeSafe today for a free no-obligation quote on plans that protect over 20 essential systems and appliances and come with one low monthly plan and no long-term commitments. Call HomeSafe now to get your free quote and lock in your plan in just minutes. 800-808-4116.
I've been a HomeSafe customer for under a year, and I've already saved $500 for repairs.
Pick up the phone and call HomeSafe because HomeSafe works for me. I know it'll work for you.
With a nationwide network of trusted pre-screen technicians, HomeSafe makes sure you're taken care of whenever you need a repair. If your covered part or appliance can't be fixed, HomeSafe will replace it.
With HomeSafe, you choose the plan, the coverage, and you can even choose from our pre-screen technicians.
If your covered part or appliance can't be fixed, HomeSafe will replace it. So, you see, HomeSafe versus the alternative isn't even close. Call for your free quote now.
Protect your home from expensive home system and appliance failures with a home warranty from HomeSafe. Call to get your free quote in minutes and see how homeowners can save thousands. All you have to do is call before something breaks. 800-808-4116. That's 800-808-4116.